Hello guys, RiderTech here. So we just left Motospazio and the first revision is done. So the bike is officially unlocked and ready to rock. Thoughts so far. They took a look to the rear brake issue that's been squeaking along, as all these Aprilias do. So nothing new there. I knew the model would do that. It's just expected. But they took a look and nothing major. It's a weird thing. Besides that, everything was okay. The bike was perfect and it's ready to rock. So let's go talk about it. What's been like to own the Aprilia for the first 1,000 miles, kilometers. First thoughts. It's a real big increase in power. So this period has been mostly about it's been mostly about not getting myself in trouble, because well guys, it's an awesome bike. It just wants to pull, and basically that's what I want to do with it all the time. So that's the problem with bikes like this. You just want to to make them go all the time. And besides that, it's been awesome. No problems with the Aprilia nor the service. The guys at Motospazio have been impeccable, all of them. If you want something with a commercial part of them, talk to Jose or Antonio. And my mechanic has been Hugo, so a shout out to them. What can I say about the bike that I haven't said yet? Okay, let's talk about the price of the first service. It was a little bit more than my 125s. So the 12,000 kilometer revision of my CV was 120 euros with the brake fuel change. The revision here, the first revision on the Aprilia, was 140 euros, so a little bit more. But I was expecting it. It's normal for a bigger bike and performance bike like this. It's normal for the service to be more expensive, but nothing out of the ordinary. I don't think the cost was stupid or something like that. It was expected. So that's it, guys. That's my main points. Living with a bike has been awesome, although now we are basically, as soon as you go into neutral, the lights go green. It's always the same thing. But but someone was just parking, so no dice. But as I was saying, the bike is awesome. Now I can basically open it up more, not be afraid of hitting the red line and breaking something, so I can push it. And me and the bike will do a big trip soon, so I will tell you guys how it was, my first group ride as an R660 owner, and what it was like to do slow speed stuff with ADV guys. Because that's what most guys have around. In my, at least in my group, there's like one guy with a BMW K1, and everyone else is like GSs and T7s and stuff like that. So it's the market. The market is always like that. But that's it, guys. I will not bore you. This one will be short. I will probably do an update later with how it's been owning the bike for 3 months, maybe. Yeah, I'll do something like that. To own the bike and then restriction with no restriction for a bit. Nice. There's no way to pass. This is the problem with we are near, so it's like 5 o'clock and people are going home, and this road is how you go home to either direction, Porto or whatever, Vila Nova de Gaia, whatever place you want. We are in the middle of the port, so if you want to go anywhere and go to the highway, you have to pass here. At least in this part of the town, you need to go here. So always a crapshoot, and this kind of road, there's no way for you guys to pass. And I'm toasting a little bit. It's as I said, this bike is hot. It runs hot. It likes to go fast, not slug around like this. So if you are thinking of owning one, and this is what you do every day, be mindful, because this is the norm, not the exception. And let's try to filter a bit. Yep. No squeaky. No squeaky. The squeaker is gone. But that's it, guys. Finally, let's part ways. See ya.